Hello there! In today's video, I'm going to model for you how to write lowercase letters from A to Z, and you can use this video and the sayings to help your new writer or your child who is struggling on forming their letters correctly and noticing that it's impacting other areas of their life. So if we haven't met, my name's Audrey from audreytutors.com, and on this channel you will find videos about teaching handwriting and how to build confident, strong readers so that they can be lifelong learners and change the world one student at a time. And if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so that you will be notified when new videos come out. In the comments below, let me know what grade level is your child at and what are some things that are really exciting that you're seeing, and maybe what are some things that you're like, I'm seeing this and maybe I should do something, but I don't know what it is. Let me know in the comments. So now let's jump onto the document camera and take a look on how to form those letters. So we do curly C, up and close, short line down. A. B, tall line down, up, hook around. B. C, curly C. D, curly C, up to the sky, tall line down. E, slide away, go up and curly C. F, start in the sky, go up, roll down to the ground, across the sky. G, curly C, up and close, long line down, up and hook. H, tall line down, up a bit and rainbow. I, short line down, dot in the sky. J, long line down, hook, dot in the sky. K, tall line down, go to the middle, up the little slide, down the long slide. K. L, tall line down. M, short line down, up and rainbow, up and rainbow. N, short line down, up and rainbow. O, curly C and close. P, long line down, up, hook around. P. Q, curly C, up, long line down. R, short line down, up and roll. S, curly C, hook around. S. T, tall line down, chop the top. U, smile, short line down. V, down the slide, up the slide. W, down the slide, up the slide, down the slide, up the slide. X, down the slide backwards. Y, down the slide, up the slide, down the slide backwards. Z, away, down the slide, across the bottom. So there you have it. That is how you can help your child form the letters correctly, giving them that little saying that will help them know which line first, and having that and reminding them to do it and say the saying will help cut down on the number of letter formation mistakes, and just that consistent practice will make consistent writing. So if you want to learn more about how to make the letters at the smallest unit and like just focus on one of those lines, you can check out the video up in the cards and see that video on how to just focus on the smallest unit to help get that proficient, and then tying it into more complex to form those letters. So thank you for watching. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll be notified when new videos come out. Be sure to check out my blog. It goes into a little bit more detail about how and why handwriting is important. And feel free to email me at any time with any questions you have at audrey@audreytutors.com. And I'm here to help you help your child achieve his and hers learning goals. So until next time, have a great day. Bye.